Hello my dudes, Rob from OpenSource EV here, and this is an overview of the Phone Mount EVO. It's the next generation of the best phone mount on the market for the Rivian R1T and R1S. The Phone Mount EVO is a friction-fit mounting location for a phone holder that fits in between the gauge cluster screen and the infotainment screen. Since the introduction of the original version in August of 2022, well over 1,000 have been sold and hundreds more have been printed at home. The next generation version has several enhancements over the prior one. It's now constructed out of premium ASA material for better durability, UV resistance, and suitability for temperatures of up to 300 degrees. More importantly, though, the mount has been completely redesigned to move the mounting location to the right, upward, and slightly forward. The intent is to move any phone mounted on it out from behind the steering wheel and to cover up the least amount of content on the infotainment screen as possible. Additionally, this generation mount has been made modular. It accepts the 17mm ball, the 20mm ball, and the 1-inch ball for wide compatibility with nearly every phone holder on the market. Beyond that, mounting balls can be swapped without deinstalling the mounting base with just a Phillips head screwdriver. The bolt installs into the nut, which is just inserted at the back of the mount. Additional mounting balls are available as spare parts for only $2.50 each. We recommend the 17mm ball unless you know you have a specific need for something else. Most of the recommended mounts, including this Lyson charging mount and this non-charging mount, are designed as having a 17mm ball compatible holder. Both are available easily off of Amazon.com. Let's take a look at the install. First, install all the parts together. Remember, the nut should be snug, not overly tight. Next, install the mount. Press the left portion into the groove next to the cluster screen and snap the right portion behind the infotainment screen. Check to make sure everything's installed correctly, and then move on. Now it's as simple as installing the holder of your choice. Install the plastic retaining bolt, snap on the holder, and then thread together. Remember, this is counterclockwise. Also, if you need to, you can lean the mount a little toward the driver to clear the infotainment screen. Don't cross-thread, and then you're done. Again, this is Rob from OpenSource EV. Thank you for taking a look at this video, and I'll see you again in the next one.